In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this effect, um, this filter, this swap filter, this gender swap filter that you can use on TikTok. So make sure you watch this video till the very end so you don't miss any step. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. I'll really appreciate it, and leave a like and your thoughts in the comments section. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So what you have to do is to install first this app, this one right here, Face app, Perfect Face Editor. Open this app, install this app, and then what you have to do is to, when you open this app, make sure you select your image. And then once you select your image, your a photo, then you can click on gender here, select gender, and then select which gender you want to apply, which one you want to choose. I'm gonna choose male or male 2, and I'll click apply now, and click now on save. Okay, perfect. Now what you have to do is to click on the link of in the description below. Make sure you check the description of this video. I'll leave a link there, and click on that template. Alright, and click on use template in Capcut. Click on use template in Capcut. That's what the link is gonna do. It's gonna lead you to that page, and now click on open. And here, for the first image, select the edited image. Click on the edited image, and then on the second one, click on the normal image. Now click on preview, and as you can see, it looks awesome. And we have the edited, and here is just the before and after. Click on export now. Now you can simply click on save to device with Capcut watermark, or save and share to TikTok. I'm gonna share this to my device. So I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.